For the Grove at the Oakland Children's Hospital, we partnered with Walter Hood to bring his design to life. Essentially what we were doing is there's this sort of dark and gloomy breezeway that was the entrance to the hospital. And so he was sort of breathing new life into that with an installation that was meant to be evocative of like walking through a redwood forest. On one side, we built a bunch of sort of abstract tree sculptures out of Spanish cedar and stainless steel that had to clamp onto existing columns. And then across from that, there's a 60-foot glass lenticular wall with printed images of a collage of children playing in a redwood forest. And so it turned this relatively foreboding entrance into something that's much brighter and more inviting. It seems very simple, it seems very repetitive, but every individual thing ended up being customized to fit exactly as it needed to when we got to site. Previously, it was this very gloomy entrance to a place, and you really want kids going into a hospital to feel excited or invited to do anything to shake them out of like the gloomy thing they're engaging in. And kids are running towards it, excited with what they're seeing, instead of just sort of, traipsing along, being dragged into the building. And so that was really cool to watch that happen as we installed it. We got there and it was just this blank space. And as everything came into place, we got a lot of comments from people walking by, and a lot of people engaging with it, asking us what it was going to be.